Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California Contractor License study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-11 elevator license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-11 contractor license? A C-11 license is issued to a contractor who fabricates, erects, installs, and repairs any and all equipment and devices involving an elevator. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18 and have a valid driver's license. And there are some experience requirements as well, such as having 4 years full-time level experience and having a qualified person to sign off. What to expect during the exam? It is a closed book exam. There are no reference materials provided. The questions are formatted in multiple choice. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator will be provided. There is an on-site computer testing and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and how it's broken down. It's broken into 6 major sections. First, planning and estimating, which is about 11% of the exam. Second, project preparation covers about 5% of the questions. Third, install and modernize elevators, dumbwaiters, and lifts covers about 22% of the exam questions. Number 4, install and modernize escalators and moving walks is about 5% of the exam questions. And finally, number 5, conveyance, repair, maintenance, and service is about 35% of the questions. Let's take a look at some of the sample questions you might see. Towards which jamb does a single slide door close? That would be C, strike. What is the maximum horizontal clearance on the rear of a new elevator car top without guardrails? D, 12 inches. What visual contrast between the comb and step is required on an escalator? C, color, pattern, or texture. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractor State License Board provides you with resources to study for the exam? Most licenses have anywhere from about 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. So what we've done, we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them. So in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exams by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. A printed and bound study guide book written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You do receive online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you can take the practice test as many times as needed. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you that classroom-like experience. Those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. These lectures are available on online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractor's exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.